A little over a year ago, my husband and I decided to start our Amazon business. I was working hourly jobs and he was driving 350 miles a day for his contract job. He was working third shift and I was working first shift. So we basically have dinners together. And this is why we started our Amazon business. We wanted more time together and also financial freedom. My name is Suellen and I help inspire entrepreneurs like you to make money online. And today I'm gonna go over on how we got started selling on Amazon. In this video, I try to combine everything that we did in order to start our Amazon business. And as you can see, we started on July 18th last year and we did a little over 214,000 and we sold both Amazon FBA and Amazon FBM and our average sales were $79.36. And here's the breakdown for Amazon FBM and Amazon FBA. As you can see, we made a little over 163,000 for Amazon FBM and a little over 51,000 for Amazon FBA. And you can also see that our average sales for Amazon FBM were way higher than FBA because we like to sell high cost products, which means higher margins for FBM. From now on, I'm gonna go over all the steps that we took to get to those numbers. So the first thing that we did was to figure out this legal stuff. So we got our business EIN online. Then we went to the bank and got our business bank account. So everything was separate, like our business was separate from our personal. Then we got our state resale certificate for tax exemption. So when we buy products for sale, we don't pay taxes, which means make more money. Then you go to sellercentral.amazon.com to sign up to become an Amazon seller, and it's gonna cost you $39.99 plus selling fees. And now the game begins. We started with books because everybody says that they are great to start because you can make lots of money with them. So we went to a store like Goodwill. We would scan lots of books every day and we probably found just 5 profitable and we scanned like over 100. So by the end of the day, we were questioning if we could actually make money selling on Amazon. At Goodwills, we decided to look for products other than books. So we would look for sellable new products that were toys, home, CDs, and DVDs. Buying CDs and DVDs was by far the biggest mistake we made. At the time, we knew that we were restricted, so we could not sell them. But we thought that later on we could apply to get ungated, so we could sell them. After 1 month, we decided to do some research on how to get ungated in CD and DVD. But then we found out that Amazon doesn't accept applications to sell CD and DVD anymore. They don't accept for like over 5 years because they're too easy to fake. And here it's some of them. As you can see, it's very cheap. And it's still like new and sellable. Another one here. And we actually have tons of them at home because we cannot sell on Amazon because they don't accept applications anymore. A big frustration that beginners have that we also had when we start selling on Amazon is that we are gated in lots of categories, like the subcategory called toys, grocery, topicals, pet food, and pet care. At Goodwills, we got lots of toys that we were gated, so we decided to get ungated in all these categories. And just so you know, in the description below, we have a guide so you can also get ungated in all these categories. After we got ungated in all these categories, we were very excited because we had way more products that we could sell. And how do we find profitable products? The first tool is called Keepa. With Keepa, you can see when it sells, about how many per month it sells, how much competition, what is the highest, average, and lowest sell price, and much more. The second tool is called RevSeller. RevSeller is great if you want to do lots of research at home. And as you can see, they show you the profit, the ROI, and the margin for both FBM and FBA. And they also show you the competition, FBM that is 38 offers and FBA 0 offers. What do we consider as profitable products? This is how we think about Amazon FBA and Amazon FBM. So for Amazon FBA, we want our profit to be at least $3 per item. We usually do high volume, low margin, and we buy low cost products. And for Amazon FBM, we want the profit to be at least $10 per item. We do low volume, high margin, and we buy high cost products. How do we create our shipments? Since we started selling on Amazon, we use Inventory Lab to create our shipments for Amazon FBA. Inventory Lab is also good to keep track of your buy costs and sales prices, and also create buy lists for Scarify too. And also it's a really good tool for accounting and taxes. When you get Inventory Lab, you also get Scarify too. And this is the app we use when we go to stores to see if a product is profitable or not. So we basically scan products and then we see if it is profitable or not. And where to source profitable products. We bought products from Goodwill, Walmart, Target, and other big name companies, but our biggest success came from regional stores. At a regional store, we found replenished products where we would sell the same product many times for many customers. This was our first best product. We bought at $59.99, we sold for $159.99, and we sold 104 units in 3 months. We were like super happy that we found this product at a regional store. Everything was amazing, but then we got an IP complaint saying that the product was counterfeit. So what did we do? We appealed to our case on Amazon Seller Central with our receipts and a message saying that we buy our product from authorized distributors, and below is the receipt to prove it. And I think it took just 2 or 3 days for Amazon to get back to us saying that we are approved to sell the product again because we proved that it's not counterfeit. Just a reminder, it's very important to keep all of your receipts and invoice from the products that you sell on Amazon, just in case you get an IP complaint. And after we had 100 products away since, we also got a repricer and we did Amazon ads so we could boost our sales. This is the repricer that we got. It's called Aura and we have 0 complaints about it. So for Amazon ads for 1 year, we spent a little over $289 and we made in sales a little over $6,000. So we were very happy with the results that we got from the Amazon ads. If you're a beginner, we have some quick tips for you. First of all, make sure to learn the fundamentals of running your Amazon business. Second, always watch out for your margins and your ROI so you're always profitable. And third, if you have any question, reach out to us at fulltimecommerce.com. Make sure to subscribe for more videos on how to make money online and comment below why do you want to start your Amazon business.